Hello everyone. I wanted to say a belated Merry Christmas. I can't believe this year has gone by this fast. It has been a crazy year. But as I get ready to say goodbye to Christmas and I look forward to my new year, many of you have contacted me asking if the new year will bring new puppies, and absolutely it will. Juliet and Serenity should both go into heat in mid to late January. So within the next 2 weeks or so, we should be in heat and mating. Hopefully, we will have 2 new litters in March. Juliet surprised me last time and didn't have a litter, so we'll double check this time. We'll probably take them to the doctor to make sure that my dogs are pregnant. Serenity had her first successful litter just a little while ago, about 4 months ago. And Juliet has had several litters already. So I am looking forward to more babies in the house. Please stay tuned for pictures in this video of my hopefully soon-to-be pregnant mommies. And just so Romeo doesn't feel left out, he's in there too. I know many of you want to know what both the mother and the father will look like when deciding if you want puppies. So stay tuned. They're up next.